Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making these match jars for my candles. These will be sold separately, but for bigger orders I'll just give them out for free. So here I have this cute little jar. It's glass with a tin lid, and I have my matches over here. These are plain matches that you can get from anywhere basically, and I will be putting some food coloring, so just a couple drops, just on the wooden side of it, not on the actual match, and I will just spread it out so it gets everywhere. This one is purple, so once it dries you can actually see the purple. Right now it just looks black. Then I put it back in, and just shake it so it gets everywhere. And I'll show you another one, but with this yellow, which looks orange, but once it's dry it's yellow. Just a few drops. I'm sorry, I'm like almost out of the frame. Here it is. I'm just shaking it, and then I let them sit and dry for a little bit, so when I put them in the jar they don't smear all over the jar. They have to be dry before they get into the jars, and they will look something like this. So when there are different colors, it looks like a rainbow almost. These are blue and green. This is how they look after they're dried down. So now I'll show you what I actually do. I have these jars over here, and this is a two-sided tape, double-sided tape basically, and I just take a little piece, I cut it and stick it onto the jar. Like so. Then I open the jar and put these matches inside. Just make sure they're not upside down. So that's how they look. Here, and they all fit in really nice. And then I take these ribbons that I made bows out of, and I made sure I melt their ends with some fire so they don't loosen up and spread all over. You know how the threads come out, so I don't want them to, so that's why. And this is how they look once I have them stuck on. I wanted to tie it around the jar, but it was not sticking, so that's why I had to make a bow and just stick it on top. And I'll show you a couple more. So these are ready. You can see this one is red and green. So I just take another bow and just stick it on top. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Please let me know if you have any suggestions, any questions. Thank you for watching. and make sure to like and subscribe my channel as I continue my candle making journey. Bye.